Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to draw yummy treats, a sweet little candy, step by step. Step 1. Draw a small oval shape. This is the candy wrapper in the middle. Step 2. On each side of the oval, draw a triangle-like shape with wavy lines. These are the twisted ends of the wrapper. Step 3. You can decorate your candy with stripes or dots to make it look super fun. Color your candy maybe pink, blue, orange. It's your choice. Subscribe for more fun art videos.